everyone, my name is Aylna and today welcome to my room, and I have with me it's Jeff from thei-planstudio. So he's in charge of my renovation throughout this whole month, and I'm very excited to share with you guys all about renovation. Okay, it's tips and tricks that nobody tells you. Even I myself don't know. After I met him, then I become an expert. Yeah. So Jeff, when can I go iPlan and work?
Yeah. Later.
Okay, let's go. Bye bye. End interview. Okay, so today we are going to go down deep and dirty and share with you guys all the little tips and tricks and also all the secrets that Jeff don't usually tell people. Okay, so this video you guys are gonna learn a lot, and of course I would like to thank Jeff also because I'm a very bad client. I would say I've actually changed.
She's good.
I've already changed a lot of design plans throughout our entire work. So initially he proposed something with panels for this board behind you guys can see. But then because I want to watch shows, I watch shows with projector, and then you know, I need it to be plain and simple. So he actually proposed another design, and it was super quick. Okay, so there's actually 3 big reasons why I chose iPlan. So first of all, if you guys don't know, I've actually reached out to a few ID firms and asked for their design plans. I've actually spoken to some IDs also. But the reason why I chose iPlan, right, is because number one, Jeff very handsome and cute. Okay, just kidding. Number one, actually is because Jeff actually tells me a lot of different ideas before I actually executed the plan. Okay, so first up is I told him that I did not want open shelvings too much because previously it was all open shelves and I had a very huge headache cleaning it. Okay, it's very dusty. So number one, don't do too much open shelvings. Yeah. Okay. So why I would go for Jeff is because also he actually came up with the ID drawings very fast. Okay, I was very surprised because I just told him like roughly the concept, like I just want it white, simple, plain. Then he just boom come up with an idea. Yeah, it's very quick.
Like print out it.
Yeah, you know, it's so crazy because to me it's very hard. I honestly have to give my hats off to you because it's very hard. Your job is very hard.
Because you send me the information, then I print out just all.
Yeah, he's like a processor, you know, like a printer. Okay, come out already. It's that quick, okay? And number 2, he's very fast with inquiries as well. So if you guys have any questions, you can actually just hit him up. He is very nice, and of course we've been working throughout the months, and I feel that you're a very nice person also.
You too.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Okay, I'm trying to bully him so he will hire me for iPlan. I'm very good already, okay? I'm very good at designing now. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, and then number 3, of course, is he actually understood what I want for my room. What I mean by what I want, right, is because some things you guys don't understand. Like example, I needed an area where I can do work and play, which is very hard because our room is quite small, and I have a husband who likes to play games a lot. Yeah, so we have to mix a little bit of his input as well, like his guy side and then my girl side, but we have to blend it in very nicely.
Yes.
So I think that's a really very tough job. So I feel Jeff really like hit every spot very well. So I can't wait for you guys to see the entire room as well. And of course, down to more technical terms, right? Like example, I was like telling him why LED light, like very hot right in the room, and then like why is it cool light and then warm light? Because like I thought room supposed to be warmer or like cooler. I also don't know. So all these have to ask Jeff.
Yeah, like sometimes the bedroom will be like warm, but I will mix some like daylight in your bedroom because sometimes you like you don't want to like romantic feels, but you want to like brightest. Then you can choose for the daylight.
Romantic feels.
Yeah.
So if I got kid, I must thank you first. Oh, okay. Understand. Okay, so he actually explained our different lightings, which is quite special, I feel, because most of the time I would on the bright lights for makeup because as you guys know, I'm like a beauty I don't know, guru, I would say. So I do makeup every single day and share most of the makeup tips and tricks for you guys also. So I feel that I needed a bright area to do makeup. So he actually shifted my dressing area over to the brighter side, which has windows, natural lightings, which is easier for me to do all these different looks. So that's something that he took into consideration when it comes to my workspace as well. So it's really a workspace and life balance, cause like one side I need to watch projector movies, one side I need to do work, and then I need my computer also. So the desk measurements, everything, all these tiny details that not a lot of people know, all these things, right, it comes down to ID's idea and also his plan. Okay, like also the LED light, right?
Yes.
Like initially I don't even know, you know, I was at the meeting with the carpenter, with him as well, with Jeff, and then he tell the carpenter, oh, here I need a 0.5 mm don't know what get because I want the light to have shadow so it creates a nicer ambience. I was like, oh my god, this what is this? I don't even know what's this. Then I asked him what's that? So what is that?
So actually for the like your display shelving, right? So normally for the people we do the display the shelving until to the back.
To the end.
Yeah, at the end. But we just leave it for the 5 mm because for the light won't be like cut like cut.
Okay.
Then will be like shrouding, will be have the light, and we won't be have the like shadow.
Yeah, that's true. So if you guys can see, I love toys a lot. I'm a tiny collector, I would say. So I like to display like my toys around the room. So I feel that it adds a little tiny character to our room as well. So he actually came up with this display shelvings for me to put my toys, and also I like to decorate my room a little like me. So I feel some of the tiny details he actually captured it very well. So yeah, and of course down to the measurements to the table, because I was so afraid like the bed couldn't fit, right? Then I keep asking him, every day I'm texting him, Jeff, you think can or not? The bed can or not? The bed. He's like, don't worry, Aylna, don't worry. I feel all these tiny details is like what makes me really like iPlanstudio. Yeah, I highly recommend. Okay, and comes down to toilet also. My toilet is amazing. Okay, I've actually came up with this ask me any questions about renovation on IG. Like I put a little tiny ask questions box, and then you guys actually ask about my toilet. I tell you, I received like tons and tons of like DM about my toilet. They thought I'm in the hotel, I'm in the hotel. But actually no, it's at my house. Okay, so the toilet, right? A lot of people was like asking, hey, Aylna, the countertop is real marble. Wow, you very rich, huh? No, I got no money. Jeff also no money. So he actually came up with something very cool. So what is it?
But actually there's it's a quartz.
Oh, quartz.
So there's a magnet stone. Yeah, so not like natural stone. So but the color will be equal.
Oh, okay. And it's very easy to clean, by the way. I've been cleaning it. Okay, and then he actually understood that I have a lot of beauty products like skincare, makeup. So all the shelvings inside, I really want you guys to see all the fine details. And then the shelvings, right, he actually customized it to be adjustable as well.
Yes,
right?
correct.
Yeah, because I have different types of bottles and products. They are big, they are small, so there are height differences. I need to adjust it accordingly, and it's really been amazing because I honestly I did not know I needed it until I like managed to stay and then like live for a while. So I realized all these tiny details nobody knows, right? Yeah. So you normally suggest like this type of shelvings to everyone, or you quit like
depends for the customer needs.
Okay. So my need is very 麻烦
So I make it more flexible.
我很麻烦。
没有麻烦，就是比较多变化的。
Okay.
I remember the toweling works is just 3 days, right?
Yeah, it's very fast. I was shocked. The uncle tell me, 小妹好了，他好了。Then he's like, yeah, 你有拍到吗？有拍到。But actually 我没有拍到，不要跟他讲。Jeff already knew it from the first day that my dogs are my priorities. That he said you can actually put the dog bed there. Then I was like, good idea. And then it's very nice and cozy for them too. I actually sent a lot of inspiration to Jeff, and like he understood the assignment very quickly, and then he just came up with the whole design plan very fast also. Yeah. So I
get the point.
Yeah, I think he get to the point where what I want. So he immediately knows the feel. That's why hence we are using blinds, and then we have this ambience lighting for the display set, and of course my hidden dressing table, which is I think the plus point as well. I think I am most proud of the toilet. I would say the toilet is amazing, top notch. I feel like I'm in a 5-star hotel every time I take a shower. So
yes, correct.
Yeah, he actually proposed the rain shower also.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like more luxe feel. I feel. Yeah, if my bathroom big enough, I'll put a bathtub lah. But next time we do a standing bathtub.
You can extend.
Extend go where? Extend to the room.
房间的话，我们是用了3种不同的灯。第一的话就是spotlight， like 这种5 head 的 spotlight，but 它的 function 就是它能够 to focus， 它不是 to 打开，就是让整间房间是亮的。but 它的 focus 是，假如我是站在这个 angle，我是看那个灯，我是看不到那个刺眼的。刺眼，所以这种灯比较好，就是在这里就是不会刺眼。只要你站在下面，你才会看到它刺眼。那你站在另外一个 angle 的话是看不到。
No wonder. Cause normally spotlight very hot, so I would say it has been a pleasant experience.
因为这个是 LED 的 spotlight， 所以基本上是不会有热度的。呀，因为我也是要照顾 Aylna 的眼睛嘛。
Okay. So sweet.
第二种的话是我们做L box cove lighting， 就是类似现在上面的这一个。这个 L box cove lighting 的话，它只是一个木，就是 moonlight 这样子。OK， 所以可是它不会有很低调。第3种灯的话就会是你会看到墙上和厨这些的灯。那个是我的 favorite。这个的话只是我们是给它拉一个亮度，可是它不会是亮的，它是拉的一条线做成一个 design。我们用 LED 来做成一个 design， 把 conceal 在partition 里面 ，conceal 在厨里面，所以你会看整体看 Aylna 的房间的话，会很有低调。
对。Every nooks and corners you can actually see the shadows of the lighting, which hits very differently. Most of the time at night, I on that light only. I don't on the spotlight. Yeah. So for this renovation, right, I would say most of it is 99.99%. The 0.1%, right, is 我后悔我没有放图在上面. Yeah, cause I did not know that like placing my toys, right, would not be enough. I did not know I buy so many toys. So yeah, I would need more space. I mean more cupboard space. So I would say I would want more panels on top of the gaming area, so I can put all my toys on top also. Oh my god! But this is a user problem. I need to stop spending money, right? Is this your plan? 叫我不要买玩具哦。
买了可以放我家。
So thank you guys so much for joining us today, and if you have any other questions, feel free to hit up iPlanstudios and Jeff will be answering all your questions.
Yes.
And of course, thank you so much Jeff for helping me design such a beautiful room. I'm so happy, and also yeah, 我希望你改次帮我 renovate 整个家啦。
非常的感谢 Aylna 会给我这个机会去装修她的这个分房。OK， so that's why actually 的话是很感谢她。Thank you.
I'm very proud of the toilet also.
你
要不要住那边 rent free?
等一下我拿 bag 过来。
OK， 我煮晚餐。